guys, my name is Simran and you're watching Fluently Crappy. I'm vlogging today because I have quite a few things to do, and first things first, I'm gonna sit inside and tell you what happened to my car, but I'm gonna show it to you right now and I'm gonna tell you how it happened inside. Like, why do I have to be so confusing? But I hope you get it. Do you see this beautiful thing? Ouch. This is just sad. Okay, so guys, I'm in the car and basically what happened to my car is actually very funny because I was driving so like such a good citizen. I wasn't speeding, I wasn't overtaking. I was actually in a small like typical Bandra lane, and this is just sad. A fruit of a tree fell on my car and it made like this huge noise, and my friend was sitting in the back and she was like, what happened? And I'm like, I don't know. And then I saw from my review mirror, okay, it was like a big black fruit, or I think it was a jackfruit, but I am not sure, and it created such a huge dent. So yeah, as you just saw in the start of the video, that spoiler that I've kept piche, it's because I think I'm gonna put it there. I actually got the spoiler 2 months back, and I got it because my mom wanted it and I didn't really want to put it on my car, but now that's a better option. So I'm gonna get that put. And yeah, I know it's a Sunday, so mostly that mechanic might be closed. It's a Sunday and it's Diwali. Happy Diwali, even if you're watching it after Diwali, but like still, so the mechanic mostly might be closed. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep the spoiler in the back seat because knowing me, I'm just gonna end up pushing it till the very end. Like, I'll just end up getting used to that bump and I don't want that. Now I'm gonna go have some brunch, so I'll see you there.
I was walking down the street the other day, trying to distract myself, but then I see your face. Oh wait, that's someone else.
Why do you have to be late every time?
So open the door.
Every time? No.
Hi.
I hate you.
Yeah. What the fuck? Open this?
यार
हाँ तो हो जाएगा.
क्या हो जाएगा?
You can fix it.
How?
हाँ, you can't fix it.
You think I'm stupid? We need like that suction pump.
Still, you will find this dent, small dent.
So this is how it'll look if I do put it. I'm not understanding. How are you gonna put it?
You gotta put screws and all, but then I'm just showing you. It's gonna be like this.
No.
Yeah. See, this is gonna be hidden. Only from here, आगे से it'll be.
So how is it looking? Should I put it? Hey, it actually looks good. Okay guys, so we are going for an impromptu
Haircut!
Ouch, you don't have to yell, but okay. You're hyped.
You look good, you know it. I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Hey, hey, listen to what I say.
Okay guys, so this is how it looks, and I was going to go like shorter, but I chickened out last minute. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And he did a haircut too, and I don't know. I mean, hello.
Hi.
Dude, the sky! Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Even the road, like I would want to drive here. Alright guys, so I'm home right now, and as I said, it's Sunday, so I could not manage to get the what is it called? The spoiler put. I guess I'll get it done in the next couple of days. Also, I couldn't really vlog in the mall much because it was too loud, and I know the audio wouldn't come alright, so I mostly put on like montages and stuff, so I hope that's okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.